Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So in today's video, I'll be showing you what is left in my shop. I restocked a while ago, but these are the slimes that are left. They are all Disney themed, and if you use the code 15OFF, all capital letters, you'll get 15% off your entire order. So the more you buy, the more percentage you get off your order. So let's get started. So the first slime shown here is called Snow White. Here you can see the pretty blue color it is when it's clear, and the next clip it is activated, so it is not the same color. But it is a jelly cube slime with micro foam beads and regular sized yellow foam beads, and the colors are meant to represent her dress, and they come with those cute little apicore charms. So it gets great bubble pops, and the cubes are really fun to squish. It is kind of hard to show the texture because I'm trying not to break in the cube so that y'all can do that yourselves, but they are super satisfying to squish, and once all the cubes are squished, it becomes a super crunchy slime. So that's Snow White. Oh, it's also unscented to keep its clarity. This next slime is called Mickey Mouse, and it is quickly becoming one of my best sellers. It is a thick and glossy red clay slime that is scented sugar cookie. It comes with one of those cute little hand charms, and it is freshly activated in here, so it's not as glossy, but if you want to see its full gloss potential, I have videos of it on my Instagram at RJPsycho. So it makes great bubble pops and great blocks and has a slow stretch to it. This next slime is Tinkerbell. It will come 2/3 green, 1/3 white. This is the green portion of it, and it also comes topped with some glitters. If you want to see how it will look, there's pictures on my Etsy. But it's a super smooth falling cloud slime. It's a little bit wet to touch, but doesn't really have any residue or snow fallout. It might have a little bit of snow fallout, but barely any. But it has fluffs up really nicely and has great drizzles, and is scented like green apple, and it smells like real green apples, not artificial, so it's a really nice fresh scent. This is the white portion of it. Is the exact same thing, just not colored, but I figured I would show you it. So here it is. Next up is another really popular one, so if you want it, I would definitely get now. It's called Cinderella. It has a super glossy and bubbly base and is filled with marshmallow foam beads. These will eventually break up over time, but that will happen no matter who you buy them from. It's just the way the beads are. But it has amazing bubble pops, again super glossy, and has great blocks. So, oh, it's also scented Candy Crush, so a really nice sweet candy smell, and this one is definitely a one to grab. And if you order an 8-ounce of this, you will get one of these charms with it, and it's also every order is topped with silver glitter. This next slime here is Minnie Mouse. It has great initial crunches and just crunches overall, and it will come with one of those 3 charms, and it's scented strawberry. And just a little note, after I filmed this, I colored it a lot darker pink, so it'll become a lot darker pink now when you order it. But yeah, it has awesome crunches, and it's overall just a really great fun slime to play with. Here's just a small clip of what it looks like after I colored it, so this is what it'll look like when you receive it. Here is Mike Wazowski. I only have 1 4-ounce left of it, so if you want it, hurry, go get it now. But it is a super thick and super glossy slime, scented watermelon. It is more of a candied watermelon scent, but still smells really nice, and it comes with a googly eye. So yeah, it's super fun to play with, and it's like a good couch slime. This is Belle. This isn't when it is very clear. It is a yellow fishbowl slime with gold glitters, and it comes with like 2 to 3 of those rose charm type things in it. But this is it before it's activated, and it is a super pretty slime. And the rest of the clips, it'll be activated. So that's what it looks like once you play with a bunch. But it is super crunchy, super fun to play with. The beads don't hurt my hands. There's not, so it shouldn't hurt yours, but there's very rarely ever any bead fallout. So yeah, it's definitely one I recommend. This is my cotton candy butter slime. It is one side blue, one side pink. Has great bubbles at the top. It is a super soft butter slime. Spreads super well. Has really great blocks and bubble pops, especially considering it's butter slime. I definitely recommend this one more for table play. It is less of a thick slime, more of a soft slime, but it is super fun and relaxing to play with, and I definitely recommend this one, especially if you are stressed. Not sure if I mentioned this, but it is scented like blue cotton candy and smells absolutely amazing. It's one of my favorite scents that I own. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to order any of these slimes, the link will be in my description. And also follow me on Instagram at RJSlimeCo. I definitely recommend, if you want any of these slimes, hurry and get them before they are sold out. And also don't forget to use code 15 off, all caps, to get 15% off your entire order. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.